Look no further than the 2018 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, alarm, electronic stability control. Feel comfortable and confident every time you take the wheel. This RAV4 is ready to go places, and our team is standing by to give you the outstanding service you deserve. Why not stop in for a test drive?